In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Gone So Young by Amber Pacific off of their album The Possibility and the Promise. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Amber Pacific was your favorite emo band, and let's dive in. The song's gonna be in drop D tuning, so make sure you tune your low E string down to a D. The song's gonna open up with these octave swipes. So that's just 2nd fret, 5th string, and that includes 4th fret, 3rd string, that octave. 2 bars of that. And it slides up to 9. And then we enter the main riff. And the rhythm guitar is going to play this in the main riff. Okay, so that's just all power chords. 2nd fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 6th string, 2nd fret, 6th string, 4th fret, 6th string, and repeat. Let the last one ring out. The lead guitar here is playing these octaves. Okay, so again, that's just all octave swiping on the 5th string, starting on 2nd fret, up to 6, down to 4, then 6, 9, slide down to 7, 6, 4, repeat that, 9, slide down to 7, 6, 4. So far we have this. Okay, and then it starts to repeat. 2nd fret, up to 6, down to 4, back up to 6 now, and then down to 2. Okay, and then we do this little, so that little run there is 4, slide up to 6, back down to 4, then 2, 1, and then end on 2. So that whole part, all together. Now we enter the first verse, and the first verse rhythm guitar is just going to be ringing out chords. So it's going to sound like this. So it's just ringing out power chords. 6th fret first, 2nd fret, then 2nd fret 5th string, 4th fret 6th string. Then repeats 6, 2, and then right up to 4 now. We hit that twice. There is an acoustic guitar playing here. So I'll show you how to play the part on the electric, but it is an acoustic on the record. And really it's just doing the same thing as far as letting chords ring out, but it's playing the major and minor versions of the chords. So this is what that distorted electric is playing here. So the acoustic is just going to play this minor chord. So that's 6th fret, 5th string, 6th fret, 4th string, and then 4th fret, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string. Okay, so we're just eliminating the root. So we'll ignore the 6th string here. Okay, and then we come down and play this chord. Okay, so that's just barring 2nd fret, and then playing 4th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, 2nd string, and then making sure that bar covers 2nd fret, 1st string. Okay, then we play this major chord. Okay, that's 2nd fret, 5th string, and then 4th fret, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd, and then that bar covering 2nd fret, 1st string. And then we play this major chord here. So this is 4th fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 4th string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, and then 2nd fret, 2nd, and 1st string. Okay, so those chords in sequence will sound like this. And then that chord structure strums a little bit. And then it goes right to this. The second half of the verse we're palm muting distorted electrics. So the second half of the verse sounds like this. Exact same chord structure, we're just palm muting eighth notes. Then we ring out 2nd fret here, and then do 5 quick hits on the 4th. And then we enter the first chorus. The first chorus rhythm will sound like this. So again, that's all power chords. 2nd fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 6th string, 6th fret, 6th string, 2nd fret, 6th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 6th string, down to 2nd fret, 6th string, back to 4th fret, 6th string. The lead guitar in the chorus will be playing these octaves. Okay, so again, all octave swipes, 2nd fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 5th string, slide up to 9, back down to 2, then 6, 4, 2, and down 4. Right hand rhythm is exactly the same as the rhythm guitar here. To enter the second verse, we'll play palm muted, 6 fret, 6 string power chord. And then we're right into the second verse. Exact same as the first, as far as the rhythm guitar is concerned. So you can see we go right into the palm muted part there. We're not ringing any notes out. It's just straight into this palm muted, same chord structure as the first verse. Now there is no acoustic in the second verse. What happens right here, halfway through the verse, this lead part comes in and plays this. So what we're doing there, alternating 4th fret, 2nd and 3rd strings, then 7th fret, 2nd string, then we alternate 4th fret, 3rd and 4th string, and then we have 3rd fret, 3rd string, and then still 4th fret, 4th string. And it starts to repeat. Second time through, it jumps right down to this. That's 3rd fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, 4th string. And then it joins the rhythm guitar. Okay, and it hits those 5 power chords quickly. And then we play a second chorus exactly the same as the first. Okay, and that lead part still playing this. Coming out of that chorus, we enter the bridge section, and the rhythm guitar will play this in the bridge. Okay, so that's 2nd fret octave, 9th fret octave, 5th string. And we play this. So that's 6th fret, 2 hits, and then swipe the strings a couple of times, and then down to 2nd fret. And then the other guitar in the bridge plays this. So it doesn't play anything, that first chord that the rhythm guitar plays. When the rhythm guitar comes up here, the other guitar plays this. And then it comes up to 9. So that's a little confusing, but if you listen to the record, it just comes in. Then in the extended bridge section, that acoustic guitar comes back in, and it really just plays the same power chord structure that we've been playing all along with the electric. And then coming out of that extended bridge, we enter the last chorus. And the last chorus is almost the same. It's just an extended version. And now we're just playing straight 8th notes. You'll notice the drum pattern changes. And now we're just playing straight 8th notes. Same chord structure though. And the lead guitar part, still playing those octave swipes. Again, 8th notes here. Same chord structure, just straight 8th notes with the right hand. And then in this extended chorus, we go back to that sort of intro riff. So it's Was Gone So Young the best emo song of the 2000s? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.